Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do something a little more dramatic. I wanted to do something with purples and blues. And if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for my eyeshadow for today, I'm going to use this one, the Makeup Shack Rainforest palette. So I'm first going to start by going in with this deep purple color. I'm going to be using that color all in my crease. This Makeup Shack T49 brush, and I'm only gonna be placing this color in my crease. I'm gonna start by packing this into my crease. And then after I place the color on, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up a little more and start tap it over it until it's like until it's as deep as I want it. So I'm just gonna go ahead a little bit more, and then with that same brush, I'm just gonna wipe off any of the excess product on the brush. I'm gonna start to blend kind of like in circular motions with the same brush I picked up this purple with. I'm gonna start blending the outer corners just a little bit, nothing too excessive. So I'm only gonna blend it in its like same spot. I'm not gonna bring the color up any more. I am gonna be blending this color with another one, but I first want to blend the color itself. So like that. So that way the color that I apply over top blends super nice, and it blends in with this color so much better. And then I'm going to go in with this brush. It's a small fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go in with this like hot pink color from the Rainforest palette. And then I'm going to go over top of this purple. And I'm going to go ahead and pat this pink right at the edge of the purple. So right over top, I'm going to go ahead and place this pink color. And then with this small blending brush, this is the e.l.f. Crease brush, I'm going to pick up a little bit of I'm going to pick up a little bit of the hot pink color. And I'm going to start blending the pink into the purple. So going in circular motions. With the Makeup Shack T49 brush, the brush that I used to pick up the purple. And I'm going to pick up that same purple color, tap off any of the excess product, and start to like blend the purple into that pink now. So now I'm going the opposite way. So I'm trying to blend this pink, this purple into that pink color. This means I'll blend a little bit higher, but not too high to where the purple is overpowering that pink color, if that makes sense. And then to even like deepen up my crease, I think I'm gonna go in with this like really deep blue. I'm gonna use this Morphe B18 brush. It's like a perfect brush for like the crease. So I'm gonna pick a little bit of that up, and I'm just gonna go with that deep color right in my crease. So I'm gonna lift up my eye a little bit, and right in that crease, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Before I go in and cut my crease, I'm gonna use a makeup wipe, and I'm gonna wipe off as much of the purple as I can. Okay, so now that I wiped off as much as I was able to, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting my crease. Okay, so now that I think that I have cut my crease to perfection. I'm going to pick up this blue color and I'm going to start patting it onto like the outer corner. And then I'm going to go in the baby blue in the palette. I'm going to apply that into like the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna leave the centerpiece clean of any product. I'm gonna be going in with this J-Cat Beauty, what are these? It's like a pigment, but these are so bomb. I've mentioned them before. Oh, try to get it to focus. Look at how pretty that is. So I'm gonna use this NYX glitter glue just so this pigment really like sticks on there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blend the blues into the pigment. And now for eyeliner, I'm gonna use this eyeliner. This is the Bisou felt tip liner. Okay, so lashes are on. So I'm actually gonna do my face off of camera really quickly to prime my face. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using. So to prime my face, I'm gonna use the Milani Prep Plus Brighten Rose Primer. For foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear Fresh Wear. And for concealer, I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. For my powder, I'm actually going to use the Airspun Loose Face Powder in the color Extra Translucent Extra Coverage. I'm going to go ahead and do my face really quickly, and I will be right back. Okay, and then to line my lips, I'm going to use the Morphe lip liner, and this is in the color Bite Me. And then for lipstick, I'm going to use the Maybelline. This is their lipstick in the color Baddest Beige. And then over top of this, just to make it even more nude, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, and this is in the color Undressed. Okay, and yeah, that is it for today. This is the completed look. Really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.